Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy fix for your John Deere lawn tractor. If your hood has seen better days, don't worry. We've got just the solution, a John Deere hood repair kit. First, let's take a look at what comes in the kit. You'll typically find a set of sturdy metal brackets, a few screws, and detailed instructions to guide you through the process. Before we get started, safety first. Make sure you have your gloves and safety goggles on. We don't want any accidents. Next, let's remove the hood from the tractor. This usually involves unscrewing a few bolts. Keep them safe as we'll need them later. Now, inspect the damaged area. Clean it thoroughly to ensure the repair kit adheres properly. A quick wipe with a damp cloth should do the trick. With the area prepped, it's time to attach the metal brackets from the kit. These brackets provide extra support and help hold the hood together. Position them according to the instructions and screw them in tightly. Make sure all screws are securely fastened. This reinforcement is crucial for a long-lasting repair. Finally, let's reinstall the hood onto the tractor. Line it up properly, and reattach it using the bolts we set aside earlier. And there you have it. Your John Deere lawn tractor hood is as good as new, thanks to the repair kit. This quick fix not only saves you money, but also extends the life of your equipment. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips and tricks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's something specific you'd like to see next time. Happy mowing! Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.